Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be discussing the concept of problem solving process. These are the basic steps that an individual need to follow in finding any problem solution. So we'll be discussing the steps one by one. The first step includes defining the problem. Whatever the problem is, you need to understand the problem first, then only you can find the solution for that particular problem. You identify the problem by collecting information and asking the questions about their significance and the desired outcome that the individual expect. The second step is disaggregate. That means you break down the bigger problem. Whatever the problem is, you break down that bigger problem into small parts, small components, so that you can understand the problem. It makes it easier to understand the root cause of the problem and find a solution for that particular problem. The third step is prioritizing. When you have broken down the problems, the issues, then you prioritize that what is the first step or the critical point that need to be tackled first, so that one by one you solve the problem and the whole problem could be solved, because the problem could not be solved at once. The problem, when it may be a big problem, that is why you have broken that problem into small parts, and by solving each step by step, you can solve the complete problem. So the fourth step is work plan. You develop a comprehensive action plan. Before making the plan into action, you make a comprehensive plan of action to address whatever the issues you are facing in the organization. You address those issues, you include the timelines, you include the resources, whatever they available in the organization, the steps, and all the assign responsibilities accordingly. So this is the fourth step of solving a problem. Then is the fifth step, that is the analyzing of the problem. Then you analyze the data and understand the problem actually, and then you identify the cause of the problem and you test the solutions for that problem and you reach the optimal solution. Then the sixth step is synthesizing. That means you are finding the gap between the actual problem and the desired solution. You emphasize basically the connections, the pattern, and the insights for actionable results. So this is the six steps of your problem solving. And the last step is communicate. You need to communicate, because communication plays a very important role in the organization. You communicate your finding, your solution to the relevant stakeholders, because the communication is